So, what are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are virtual or digital currencies that use cryptography for secure financial transactions. They are decentralized, meaning that they are not regulated by a central authority such as a government or banks. Instead, they rely on computer networks to verify and process transactions. One way to think about cryptocurrencies is to compare them to traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar. Both of these currencies can be used to purchase goods and services, but there are some key differences between the two. The first major key difference is that cryptocurrencies are decentralized, while the US dollar is a centralized currency issued by the federal government and the Federal Reserve, meaning that the value of the US dollar is largely determined by the government and its economic policies, while the value of the cryptocurrency on the other side is determined by the market supply and demand. Another difference is that transactions with cryptocurrencies are generally faster and cheaper than transactions with fiat currencies because they don't need to go through a bank or any other institution to be processed. Finally, cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, while traditional currencies like the US dollar are stored in physical wallets in your pocket.